Since it's Christmas, this time I came like middle of the month of December, went up to Baguio for 3 days, the whole family without kids because they are my daughter is working, the cousins are studying, so only the uncle, the uncle, the tito, the tita, like that. And of course our mother-in-law who treat us in this trip by land, of course. Well, it's the best part of the year to enjoy this. But you know, my always concern, my concern always is for those people who, you know, they cannot enjoy this kind of life. They want to see these things, especially in the city, because during Christmas, you go to the city, the malls, everywhere. It's, you can really see and feel the Christmas spirit. And going to the province, the best time to go there is during summer to enjoy nature, the beach, and all. So you know, life is how we make it, no? Some people can say, oh, I cannot afford to travel like this with my family and all because my income is not enough, no? I've been thinking that since I was 20-year-old. So my life, what life I want to be, because you know, if you're ambitious and you are ambitious, but you must have the drive to think of ways and to do the actions. You have actions to do things that you can achieve that goal and dreams. Of course, there is nothing impossible. Why is that? Because there are a lot of opportunities around. And for me, I found it through Reway International. The company can guide us how to do the business, how to do the franchise. You can earn Singapore dollar in daily payout. Your clients or market is all over the world. So why cling to where you are right now if you think you are not happy, or maybe you're happy but you look at your family, do you think they are contented? Like the kids are growing, expenses is getting higher every month, every year. So think of ways, because you know, in the Philippines, one resource is not enough. So the family, the parents must both work. And if you are already legit in your legal age, why not find ways, okay, to help your parents? Because the earlier you can earn money, okay, the better. So we can retire early. Of course, no, I can think of my own self only. I have a good family. Everything is okay. But of course, I look at my parents. I still have parents to take care in their old age. So this opportunity I embrace, and they also share this to people who would believe me. And now, okay, I have a team in different parts of the world. So I'm still looking for more business people, and especially for Filipino OFW who want more income, to have a change of life. Here we franchise, and here we travel, attend international events in different countries almost every month. So if you are in your legal age, 18, 81-year old, this opportunity is for you.